Once upon a giggly day, in a land not too far, lived a little bunny, a culinary star. His name was Benny, with fur so white, eating with utensils. Oh, what a sight! In a meadow of flowers, so bright and grand, Benny sat with a spoon in his little hand. His mamma nearby, a wise bunny sage, teaching him the art of using utensils on this page. Now, Benny dear, let's make a plan to eat with a fork or a spoon like a man. Hold it just right, not upside down, and you'll be the toast of the meadow, the talk of the town. Benny, all ears, nodded with glee, excited to learn, like a buzzing honey bee. The spoon was first, in a bowl of stew, a delicious mix of veggies, a hearty chew. With a scoop and a slurp, Benny did try, eating with utensils, reaching for the sky. The spoon danced in circles, the stew did a spin. Benny's laughter echoed, a joyous din. "Mama, oh Mama, this is such fun, eating with a spoon, I'm not yet done." Mama Bunny chuckled, her ears all a-twitch. "Next, my dear Benny, let's master the pitch." Out came a fork, gleaming and neat. Benny's eyes widened, it was such a treat. "Now, little bunny, hold it just so, pierce the carrot, give it a go." Benny aimed with precision, a bunny on a quest to conquer the carrot, a culinary test. With a poke and a prod, Benny did try, lifting the carrot, reaching for the sky. Cheers erupted in the meadow. Oh, so loud, Benny's triumph, a utensil-wielding crowd. The animals gathered, a furry delight, a bunny using utensils. Oh, what a sight! From that day forward, in the meadow so wide, Benny ate with utensils, Bunny with pride. With a fork and a spoon, a knife on the side, Benny's meals were a joyous bunny stride. As the sun dipped low, casting a golden hue, Mama Bunny said, "Benny, it's time to say adieu. The day's been delightful, an edible delight. Good night, my sweet Benny, sleep tight." Benny, now full from his utensil spray, hopped to his burrow under the old oak tree. With a carrot for dreams and a spoon as his kitty, he whispered to the stars, "Good night, good night." Once upon a bedtime, in a cozy little town, lived a kid named Tim, who wore a special gown. Not just any jammies, oh no, they were grand, magical pajamas, the best in the land. With stripes of yellow and polka dots blue, Super Pajama Kid, that's what they called him. It's true. When the moon took its place and the stars started to gleam, Tim transformed into a dream superhero, a bedtime dream. One night, as he lay in his comfy bed, Super Pajama Kid popped into his head. With a whoosh and a zoom, he entered Dreamland, ready to protect kids. Oh, it was so grand. Dreamland, a place where dreams come to play. But sometimes, oh dear, nightmares get in the way. That's where Tim, our hero, with his jammies so bold, turned scary dreams into adventures, stories to be told. In Dreamland, Tim met little Sally Sue, whose dream was filled with a monstrous kangaroo. Super Pajama Kid, with a grin so wide, turned the kangaroo into a bouncy ride. They hopped and they skipped through the dreamy night. Sally giggled, "Oh, what a delight!" Tim winked and whispered, "No more kangaroo fright. Sleep tight, Sally, until the morning light." On another cloud, a boy named Jack dreamt of a snack attack from a marshmallow stack. Super Pajama Kid, with his magical might, transformed the marshmallows into fluffy kites. They soared and they twirled in the dreamy sky. Jack laughed and cheered. Oh, how time did fly! Tim patted Jack's head, said, "Sleep, little sprite. Good night, sweet Jack. Dream soft as a kite." As our hero travelled through the dreams so wide, a dragon appeared, with wings spread wide. In a dreamy castle, A princess named May had a dragon friend who wanted to play. Super Pajama Kid, with a twinkle in his eye, turned the dragon into a cloud up high. They floated and drifted among the stars so bright, May waved to Tim, whispering, "Good night." With each dream he visited, our hero was glad, turning nightmares into adventures. Oh, not bad. He zipped and he zoomed, through the night so deep, guarding dreamland, as the world fell asleep. Finally, with the moon's soft glow, Super Pajama Kid knew it was time to go. Back to his room, where his adventures took flight, he whispered to the moon, "Good night, good night." Tim, in his jammies, snug as a bug, climbed into bed, giving his pillow a hug. As the stars twinkled and the moon shone so bright, he closed his eyes, saying, "Good night, good night." And so, in dreamland, under the moon's soft light, kids dreamt sweet dreams as they slept through the night. Super Pajama Kid, our hero so bold, guarded their dreams, turning nightmares to gold. So, when you lay down with your teddy bear tight, remember the magic that comes with the night. In your PJs so comfy, under the moon's soft light, say, "Good night, dear world, sleep tight, sleep tight."